Hey there, are you trying to use Cash App but encountering the "sorry you're not able to sign up at this time" error? Fear not, because in this guide, we'll tackle this frustrating issue and walk you through step-by-step solutions on how to fix Cash App "sorry you're not able to sign up at this time." Whether you're new to Cash App or a seasoned user, these tips will help you resolve the issue and get you back on track. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first and most basic step is to ensure you have a stable internet connection. Cash App requires a reliable internet connection to function correctly. Start by checking if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working without interruptions. Try visiting another website or using a different app to ensure your connection is stable. If there are issues, consider restarting your router or switching to a different network to see if the problem resolves itself. Step 2. Verify your account information. Incorrect or incomplete information can lead to sign-up errors on Cash App. Make sure to double-check your details, such as your email address or phone number. Errors in this information may prevent you from successfully signing up. Fill out all the required fields accurately and make sure there are no typos. If necessary, update your information and attempt to sign up again. Step 3. Update the Cash App. An outdated version of the Cash App may prevent you from signing up due to compatibility issues. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android devices or the App Store for iOS, and check for any available updates for Cash App. Keeping the app updated ensures you have the latest features and fixes any bugs that might be causing the issue. Step 4. Restart your device. It might seem simple, but restarting your device can resolve numerous technical glitches, including software conflicts preventing your app's signups. Turn off your phone completely and leave it off for a minute or two before turning it back on. Once it's rebooted, try signing up for Cash App again. Step 5. Enable permissions. Cash App requires certain permissions to function properly, such as access to your contacts, location, and storage. Ensure that you've granted all necessary permissions. Go to your device's settings, find Cash App under your installed applications, and check its permissions. Enable any that are disabled and try signing up once more. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If none of the above steps solve the issue, reaching out to Cash App support is the next best option. They can provide you with specific guidance or look into your account details to identify and rectify the problem. Visit the Cash App support page or use the app's built-in customer service options to get in touch with a representative. Facing the Cash App "sorry you're not able to sign up at this time" error can be frustrating, but with these steps, you'll be able to troubleshoot and hopefully resolve the problem. Always ensure your information is current, your app and device are updated, and that all necessary permissions are granted. And remember, if all else fails, Cash App support is just a message away. By following these guidelines, you'll get back to using Cash App without a hitch. Best of luck in fixing the issue, and happy transacting.